Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential component for anyone using an Epson WF-100, WF-110, or ECC-110 wireless mobile printer, the WF-100 T2950 maintenance box. This particular offering is a remanufactured waste ink tank, and it promises to be a perfect replacement for the OEM T2950 T295000 maintenance box. For those unfamiliar, a maintenance box is crucial because it collects all the waste ink generated during printhead cleaning cycles and general printing. Without a functional one, your printer could eventually stop working. This Li 2-horse brand T2950 maintenance box comes in a convenient 2-pack, ensuring users have a spare on hand when needed. One of the standout features highlighted is its newest smart chip. This T2950 chip is designed for perfect compatibility with all new firmware versions, which is a significant relief for users worried about third-party products not working after a printer update. The smart chip ensures the printer easily recognizes the box, making the replacement process smooth and hassle-free. Upon opening the package, one will find not just the 2 maintenance boxes, but also a clear installation instruction guide, 2 pairs of disposable gloves, and 2 sealing bags. This thoughtful inclusion of gloves and sealing bags is a practical touch, making the often messy task of replacing a waste ink tank much cleaner and more manageable. It shows a consideration for the user experience beyond just the product itself. The quality of the maintenance box itself is also emphasized. It features a high-quality absorber pad sponge, which is critical for its function. This sponge boasts a strong absorption capacity, ensuring that waste ink is effectively contained and preventing any leaks or spills within the printer. This attention to the internal components speaks volumes about the product's reliability. Furthermore, the manufacturer states that these WF-100 maintenance boxes are rigorously tested before packaging. They are produced in ISO 9001, ISO 14001, SGS, and CE certified facilities. This level of certification and pre-testing provides a strong assurance of quality and reliability, suggesting that users can expect their printer to maintain a fluent, stable, and superb printing performance. The goal is to keep the printer running smoothly, free from clogs, and ensuring high yield and long-lasting results from the ink cartridges. Even though these specific features are more related to ink, a well-functioning maintenance box contributes to the overall health of the printer system. Considering it is a remanufactured option, it offers an excellent balance of performance and value. It's a compatible solution that aims to deliver OEM-level functionality without the OEM price tag. For anyone with a WF-100, WF-110, or ECC-110 printer looking for a dependable and well-equipped waste ink tank replacement, this T2950 maintenance box from Li 2-horse appears to be a very strong contender. It addresses common concerns like chip compatibility and ease of installation, making it a practical choice for maintaining printer longevity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.